And welcome to our cabin tour on Symphony of the Seas. This is an ocean view cabin, and it is cabin number 3596.
Morning,
Hi,
morning.
good morning.
Just checking.
Okay, yeah,
All right.
we'll be a little bit.
Okay, no problem.
Welcome to our cabin tour on Symphony of the Seas. We've sailed out of Cape Liberty, and this cabin tour is actually on our debarkation day. When you come in, you have the door with all of your safety information on the back. There's a key. This key card is always in the room, so you don't have to worry about putting your key into this slot to work the lights. This is your switch for the main lights in the cabin. You walk in, there's a full-length mirror right here so you can see how you look after you've gotten dressed. Here's the bathroom. We're going to give you a tour of the bathroom a little bit later, so stay tuned. You have storage. This is a full-size closet, lots of hangers, and then there's an extra bar here in the middle that you can pull down. So if you have shorter things that you still want to hang up, you can use that. Walking in on the left-hand side here, you have a desk area which can also double as a vanity, which I would use when I would put on my makeup to get ready. There's a nice light over the vanity, and it's very flattering. It's a good light. I did like it. Underneath, you have your outlets. So you have 2 USB ports, you have 3 US ports, and 1 European port. Moving in a little further, still on the left-hand side, you have the top of the dresser, so you can use that for storage. There are several drawers. You have your hair dryer in the one drawer. And then these 4 drawers are the same. In this top drawer, you're going to have your menus for the breakfast that you can order if you want to have room service. Down here, you have your cooler. Just a typical cooler. It's not a mini fridge, so it's not stocked, so you don't have to worry about those room charges. On the right-hand side, there's a nice sofa. It's a pretty good size, so if you want to take a nap during the day, you can use that, and you can also watch TV because the TV does swivel. Here's a smaller closet, and it's shelves. So you have shelves all the way down, and then you have your safe. So it's not big enough. It's not going to hold a laptop. I don't even think it's going to hold a tablet because it's pretty shallow. And you're going to make up your own number to lock that so all of your personal belongings are safe during the cruise and you don't have to worry about carrying them around. And then down below, there's 2 drawers down here for extra storage. Coming over here, you have your king-size bed. Don't mind how it looks because we are leaving today. We made it up as best we could, but we don't do as well as the cabin stewards. The bed, I didn't think was very comfortable. Michael thought it was fairly comfortable, but I had a little bit of back pain from it. I thought it was a little bit hard. The pillows are nice and fluffy. They're not flat pillows, so they were comfortable. Moving along in here, you have your television. So you have your regular TV channels, a lot of the Royal Caribbean channels, and it does swivel out so that you can see it into the other area of the room. And then coming around, you have your porthole, which is fairly big, so it gives you a good view. And it was very interesting sailing because you're a lot closer to the ocean when you have an ocean view. So it was really interesting, and it was very pretty. And we enjoyed having this room very much. 2 end tables on both sides, and then there are lights over the bed so that you can read. Telephone on the one side, and is there a USB? There's a USB port.
No, it's a regular plug.
A regular plug, sorry. Regular plug on the one side. So if you need to charge and you want your phone by the bed, you can use that charger. So we'll show you the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. There's a stand-up shower with a shower head. The water pressure's great. The water gets very hot. There's a bar for your leg if you need to shave your leg. There's the commode. Few shelves on the side of the mirror for your toiletries, a full-length mirror across the bathroom, the sink, and a shelf underneath for extra storage. And then we'll be on our way. We have to head home today. They're kicking us off the ship. So please like and subscribe and have a great day.
Cat and Mike, the ship set sail on a journey that'll never fail. With the wind in their hair and the sun shining bright, they're dancing on the waves, it feels just right. Sailing together.